How to verify your Discord account in 2023. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if you have more questions and want tutorials. So we are here on our phone and we are going to open up Discord. So once you have opened up your Discord, just click on the top left with the three lines and click on your account in the bottom right corner. And in here we are going to see our account. Click on the account and send verification code for your email. So this code is going to be sent to our email. So just reload your email so you would get the email from Discord. So here it is. I'm going to view. So it is shown here the verification code of my Discord. So just simply type in the verification code for your Discord or that was sent in your email. So that's it. It is shown here that I have to change your email, or I am going to change my email because I have already verified my email. But if not, you want to verify it, it is done already. So thank you for watching.